Mr. Wonderful here. Everybody knows I'm a real estate investor. I like it because it's stable and it provides income. But the biggest problem I've got, and many other investors just like me, is property management. How do you find somebody to deal with, just take Appliance, for example, the kitchen stove, the doorbells, the technology, the internet, all that stuff. If you're managing or you own property, call the appliance repair professionals. These guys have done over 600,000 jobs, and they've mastered service. And that's what you want if you're a property manager. The key is to keep and maintain steady cash flows and stability, and that requires good property management. So give them a call. The appliance repair professionals, and 600,000 jobs. They're not fooling around. That's a lot of work, and it's been done successfully.